small quantity so that tomorrow I can change. Hello my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live, love and laugh. Thank you for subscribing, and to new viewers, kindly subscribe and press that notification bell that whenever I upload a new video you'll be notified. Today I want to show you, or I want to educate you on something, on how to look classic at low expense, at the comfort of your home. Here with me I have my extension, and there before I had braided them, but I can use them as an extension. So this is what we are going to do. The extension, I have them here. Here, gel, soft and free. I prefer this. Here is my mini brush, and here I have to comb my hair. Ndio sikuwe imeshikana. So this is what we do first. Then I'll use this rubber band. Hakikisha hujakaza nywele yako ndio hata pia isikatike. So we are going to be gentle with the hair. It's so economical now that we are in January. It's so economical. You can use this for a month or even more. Now it's time. This is how I made my extension at home. Remember, this I had braided before, so I've just made it on my own. I washed them, sprayed them, and they are clean. They're smelling nice, so you don't have to worry. You can clean them by yourself by the use of shampoo and conditioner of your choice. Now that this is how we are going to do it. Remember that whenever you are tying your hair, be gentle with it, because we still need the natural hair. even though we are putting the extension, but still we need our natural hair to be more beautiful. So this is how I do it. You can leave it at this point, or still you can continue with me. Now that I want to wrap it around, here I want to wrap it around. So you take a section of the extension and you wrap it around your hair. Then you take another section, you wrap it now anti-clockwise. You do this still again, you can leave it at this point and still you look classy. Or if you're not comfortable, you can continue wrapping it until we have a big band over here. So I'll repeat what I did first time, taking the section of the extension and wrap it around. And you do it when this round you do it clockwise, the next round you do it anti-clockwise, so that it may give us a nice band. Now that is it. We've made our band. This is how our band is. And this will only take you less than 10 minutes. And you will look classic. So we take gel again. Take gel again and brush at the back. Now that we interfered when we were doing the band, You brush it around, all around. After that, you can still go out this way and look classic. You can see less than 10 minutes at the comfort of your home and using what you have. So here we just recycling. What's new here is only this, and when you buy this, it can take you for a month or so. It depends on how you're using it. So we are going to do, if you want to be more classic, of course there are those days you are in your low moment and you feel like you don't want to overdo anything, you just want to be this way. It's okay, you can walk out this way. But if it's that day that when you feel like today is the day I'm gonna kill it, let's proceed to this. Here at the front is where we are going to make it. So by the use of a mini brush, just a section of it, let's see, you see it? And remember just to apply small quantity for it to dry faster. Now that, yeah, and that is it. Looking classic in less than 10 minutes using what you have, and you can go out looking classic. You can see. And you'll have the confidence of walking around. And that's how we did it. Natural hair, we just wash your hair normal, treat it, and then apply gel, and you walk out confidently when you are nice. It was good having you. Thank you for watching my content, and invite more people to come and see this video and subscribe in our channel, so that I may upload as many as I can.